So uh, yesterday we have studied some introduction about the singly linked list. What is singly linked list and how can this be visualized and all those things. So today we are now going to learn about the how can we add nodes to the linked list, or how can we manipulate the linked list, singly linked list. So let's start with first singly linked list creation. So that means how can we create a linked list? So programmatically, what we can do is we can make a class for node. At first we need to make a class for node like this. So this is the class node which has two members. One is data as an integer and other is the pointer to the next node. So the data type of this next pointer is node. So now, and then we now make class linked list, because we need two classes. One is node class and another is linked list class. Node class is to represent every node here, like in figure. To represent every node we need node class, and to represent all this linked list we need linked list class. So making linked list class, what should be the members of linked list class? One is the head. Every linked list will have a head, and that is the pointer to the first node. So the head pointer has its data type node, because it is pointing to the first node. Therefore the data type should be node. And we have made a function to add new node to the linked list. So we are going to add some nodes to the linked list. So we made a function void add, and it accepts a parameter node, because the add function accepts node parameter and it will add that node to the linked list. We'll do that. This is just the declaration. And another is void display, and this do not accept any parameter and it will not return anything, but the display will print out all of the elements or all of the nodes of the linked list. And there is a constructor linked list which initializes head as null, because initially when the object of linked list is created, the head should be null. That means the linked list should be empty. Head equal to null means that the linked list is empty. No any nodes are there in the linked list. That means, so head equal to null. So this is just the prototype of the class linked list. Now we will define this function. We will define this add function. We'll write the description of this display function, and we'll run. See, linked list head equal to null. What this mean? Default constructor. This is the default constructor. This is used to initialize the linked list. This is used to initialize the linked list. So at first the head is created which points to nothing. So initially for any empty linked list we create a head, because head is necessary for every linked list, but it will point to nothing. That means head should be null. For the singly linked list there should be at least a head. There should be at least a head. There should be one head for singly linked list, and this is the head. And at the time when the list is empty, the head should be null. So how you know the linked list is empty? You know it by checking head. So when head is empty, so when head is empty, then we can say the linked list is empty. Sorry, the when head is null, the linked list will be empty. So now this is the program which insert an item to the linked list. This program or this function inserts an item to the linked list. So see, we have made a function add. So I think you understand this. This is scope resolution operator, right? Double colon. This is scope resolution operator. When we use this, When can we use this scope resolution operator? Can use huncha? C++ ma
Inheritance.
This is not inheritance. This scope resolution operator is basically you write every member function of class inside the class. And just you add function भनेको linked list को member function हो. You need to write this inside the class. But कहिलेकाहीँ तिमीलाई क्लास भन्दा बाहिर लेख्नु पर्यो भने you represent by scope resolution operator. यो क्लासको नेम दिन्छौ अनि scope resolution operator दिएर एड गर्छौ. यो क्लास भित्रै लेख्ने हो भने you do not need to write this linked list अनि यो operator लेख्नु पर्दैन. क्लास बाहिर लेख्नु पर्यो मेम्बर फंक्शनलाई भने मात्रै you write this. Right? So now add function is to add a node to the linked list. अब यो add function ले node लाई linked list मा add गर्नु पर्यो. So what it accepts? The parameter is node. We need to pass a node to add that to the linked list. यो node लाई add गर्नु पर्यो नि त. So now, there will be two conditions. There will be two conditions to add an item to the linked list. So first is whether the linked list is empty. So the condition is whether the linked list is empty or not. So now, there will be different technique to add item to the linked list when it is already empty, and there will be different when it is not. So that means हाम्रो linked list पहिला empty छ र we are adding a node to the linked list, then के हुन्छ त? There will be only one item. त्यस पछाडि एउटा मात्रै item हुन्छ. But if the linked list is not empty initially, सुरुमा empty छैन and we are adding new item to the linked list, then we need to arrange that item to a particular position. कहाँ राख्ने भन्ने कुरा हुन्छ त्यस पछाडि चाहिँ, किनभने there are already items in the linked list. So first condition here, if head equal to null, that means the linked list is empty. Initially the linked list is empty, and we are going to add node n to that linked list. So we are going to add node to that linked list. So how can that be possible? अब त्यो नोडलाई हामीले कसरी लिंक लिस्टमा एड गर्छौं त? To add that node to the linked list, के हुनुपर्छ भन त? के हुनुपर्छ? त्यो नयाँ नोड, रिमेम्बर अ नोड है, नोड भन्ने बित्तिकै you just take visualize this kind of thing. एउटा पार्टिकुलर कुरालाई visualize गर है. And then what you need to do? You need to put the address of that node to the head. Okay na भन त? सबैसँग do you have pen and paper in your hand? सबैसँग पेन र पेपर छ? सबै?
Yes sir.
Sir? You have pen and paper with you? तिमीसँग पेन र पेपर छ भनेको सँगै त्यहाँ?
Yes sir.
Yes.
Okay. So right there, अब लेख है. I'll make a figure. अब यहाँ I'll try to demonstrate है. यो फिगर बनायो भनेदेखि you'll get quite easily, I think. है. फिगर बनाउन ट्राई गर्छु. Can you see this screen? Paint. Can you see this?
Yes sir.
So now,
Yes, sir.
see. So, initially, what we are going to do is, we are going to add a node to the linked list, and say that node is this one. we have a node, we need to make this node as well. Say this node is like this, and there is some value, for example 5, and there might be some address, the address to the next, and we will make this when after adding to the linked list. And say this node is at memory location 1000. So this node is at memory location 1000. Say now, so this is in one side. So we have this node, and we are going to add this node to our linked list, and there will be two conditions. See in the slide, there will be two conditions. One is whether head is null or not. So that means the head is null means the linked list is empty by default. So say the head is very difficult to write by mouse. Okay, head is null. By default, head is null. We say head is null. That means the linked list is now empty. And we are going to add this node. We are going to add this node to the linked list. So what should we do? When we add, अब हामीले यो नोडलाई हामीले लिंक लिस्टमा एड गर्यौं भने लिंक लिस्टमा कतिवटा नोड्स हुन्छ? After adding this, how many nodes will be there in the linked list? एउटा मात्रै हुन्छ, because there was no nodes before. एउटा मात्रै हुन्छ भने अवश्य अब हामीले व्हाट अब से दिस नोड चाहिँ हाम्रो यो टोटल नोड चाहिँ हाम्रो एस्टेरिक n भयो है यो. This node is asterisk n because the whole this is the node asterisk n. So हामीले declare गर्दाखेरि we write like this node, and then this node is the class and asterisk n. That means the node, this n is of data type node भनेर बुझ्नु पर्यो है. We write like this. अब see, when we add this node to the linked list, then what will be the head? अब head को value के हुन्छ? What will be the head value of head? What will be the value of head? 1000 because head will contain the address to the first node, and this is the only node in the linked list. अब linked list मा यो मात्रै हुन्छ भने पछाडी the value of head will always be 1000. अब how to get that 1000? अब programmatically how to get 1000? Because this is the address. How to get this address from this n? So just simple n. This will give address, because this asterisk n is the pointer variable, and it will point this node. It will point this node, complete node. And to get this address, we simply do like this. See, to get this address, we do ampersand and asterisk n, and these two will cancel out because these are scope. These two are, one is reference operator and another is dereference operator, and it is equivalent to n. Therefore, we did n. Now n gives the address of this. N gives address of this particular node. So we put n to the head. And now another thing is, initially this will have no value. That means this part, next part will no any value for the node. In a node ma keep any value huँदैन. And when we insert this node to linked list, अब त यहाँनेरि त value राख्नु पर्छ. We need to fill this value. Okay, न भन त? We need to fill this value. यो value कति हुन्छ त? What will be the value of this position? यहाँ कति value राख्छौं हामी?
1001.
It will be the address of next node. It will be the address of next node. And do we have next node? अब हामीसँग अर्को node छ त? We don't have any other node because this is the only node we are inserting. First node पनि यही भयो, last node पनि यही भयो. So what we need to do? we need to put, see है, n arrow, I am writing arrow, किन arrow लेख्दैछु भन्छु. So n arrow next should be now, this should be now null, this should be null. Why this n को next किन null भएको यो?
सेकेन्ड नोड को एड्रेस ही छैन त्यही.
Good, there is no other node. अब अरु नोडै छैन भने this is the last node. Last node हो भने the next part of the last node will always be null. Null हुने हो last मा.
So next predefined हो.
Yes, this is defined in node. यहाँ हेर न, यहाँ अस्ति हामी I have shown it. हैन यहाँ नेरी. See, यो नोड मा हेर त यहाँ ल. We have defined next here. यहाँ define गरेको छ नि त node class मा. And we are using that because n is node, n भनेको त node को member हो. So we are doing. And why we use this arrow operator in
पोइन्टर माइक अफ छ. सर माइक अफ छ तपाईको.
माइक अफ भयो मेरो. तिमीले अफ गरिरहेछ नि, यो कसले अफ गर्छ पर्मिसन नमिलाउने बित्तिकै तिमीहरू सक्छक गरिहाल्छ. What I mean to say is यो arrow operator भनेको this is for the to accessing the member variable of from the pointer है. pointer बाट एक्सेस गर्नु पर्यो भने चाहिँ now we have dealing with only one condition है. एउटा कन्डिसनमा मात्रै हेर्यौं, that is when the linked list is empty भन्ने केसमा मात्र. अब empty नहुँदा के हुन्छ? if there are already some items in the linked list, there will be some different condition है. Let me now where we la. So हामीले यो एउटा कन्डिसन हेर्यौं, that means when head is null हैन, head null भएको केसमा that means when the linked list is empty. But let's assume the linked list is not empty and there are already some items in the linked list है. Now if there are already some items in the linked list, for let's assume head को value चाहिँ we have head equal to something 1000 है, and then we have some nodes like this having value 5 and address is 1000 and say this is 1010. And now we have another node which has value 6 and in location 1010 and let's say this is null. Now only 2 items are there. Now we have 2 items in the linked list. So and this side we have one node that needs to be inserted in this particular linked list and say that is 7 in memory location 1020. So 7 in memory location 1020. 20. So now we have this node, and that node is to be inserted in this linked list, and there will be some arrow. You can imagine this arrow only because that has been linked by these addresses. And address ले link गरेको छ नि यसलाई त. You can imagine this arrow. Head has value 1000. That means the first item will be, first node will be the node that has memory address 1000. Now what we are going to do is we are going to insert that node to the linked list. Your linked list, or your node लाई हामी यो linked list मा insert गर्न खोज्दै छौं. And the question is, where are we going to insert that node? कहाँ राख्ने भन्ने question आउँछ क्या. We can put this node at the beginning as well. We can put this node in between two nodes as well, or we can put this node at the last as well. Last मा पनि राख्न सक्छौं है. So now we want to put this in last. अब हामी अहिलेलाई चाहिँ के गरौँ, यसलाई लास्ट मा राखौं है. लास्ट मा चाहिँ राखौं है. यसलाई हामीले एउटा यो नोडलाई हामीले लास्टमा लगेर राखौं. सो लास्टमा जानको लागि त वी क्यान नट गो डाइरेक्टली हियर. हामी डाइरेक्टली लास्टमा जान सक्दैनौं. सो व्हाट वी नीड टु डू इज वी नीड टु ट्राभर्स फ्रम फर्स्ट. सुरुदेखि जानु पर्यो अनि बल्ल हामी त्यो लास्टमा पुग्छौं, एन्ड देन वी पुट दैट. सो सुरुदेखि जानको लागि व्हाट वी डू, सुरुदेखि जानको लागि व्हाट वी डू, वी स्टार्ट विथ सम भेरिएबल. हामी एउटा नयाँ भेरिएबल बनाउँछौं. सो यही हेरौँ न ल. So we make a variable node, one PTR variable बनायौं हामीले है, pointer variable of type node, and we assign the value of this to head हैन. हेड को भ्यालु चाहिँ हामीले PTR मा राख्यौं because this 1000. Now PTR will be, the value of PTR will be, what will be the value of PTR now? It will be 1000 because that is the value of head. See, and then we iterate from next of that PTR until it becomes null, So that means this loop, and we increase the value of PTR every time. We are making PTR to PTR next को value चाहिँ हामी PTR मा ल्याएर राख्दै छौं. That means we are increasing that. So we started from first, and what we do, अब हामी सुरुबाट स्टार्ट गरेर PTR. now what is the value of PTR next? What will be the value of PTR next? What will be the value of PTR? 1010. It is now 1010. Yes, it is now 1010, and it is not null. And again we move to next step, and नेक्स्ट मा के हुन्छ PTR को न यहाँ बीचमा हामीले what we have done यहाँ हेर है, PTR equal to PTR next गरेको छ. That means this value will now come to this PTR हैन. यो PTR मा यो 1010 हुन्छ, and then we what will be the value of PTR next at this point? यसमा PTR next को भ्यालु कति हुन्छ है, यो बुझ्छ है तिमीहरुले. ल PTR को next भ्यालु कति हुन्छ, then after this it will be null. Yeah, it will be null. Now what can we say? We have reached to the last. अब हामी के भन्न सक्छौं भने अब हामी लास्ट मा पुग्यौं लिंक लिस्ट को भन्न सक्छौं because we get next of PTR as null. Null पायो भने देखि now we need to insert this node. We need to insert this node to this position. अब यहाँ ल्याएर राख्ने. So how can we do that? कसरी इन्सर्ट गर्न सक्छौं त हामी यहाँ भन त. How can we do that? So simply by putting PTR, the value of n to PTR next. हैन, यो value of n भनेको त what will be n? अब यहाँ हेर है. See, this is asterisk n. This is asterisk n. And what is the value of n here?
1020.
1020 is the address. 1020 is the value of n. Now we are going to put that value of n to the next of PTR. PTR नेक्स्टमा ल्याएर चाहिँ what we put value of n. That means we put value of n. That means this 1020 now comes to this point. So यो null को ठाउँमा चाहिँ now it will be 1020. अब यो 1020 हुने बित्तिकै त यो त काहीँ न काहीँ मेमोरी लोकेसनमा छ 1020 लोकेसनमा. So now these are now linked. अब यो लिंक भयो है. This is now linked to this one. Is that clear? यो त by default null नै हुन्छ. You don't need to make it again. हैन null नै हुन्छ initially. ठीक छ, यो बुझिन्छ? So it has explanation as well है. यो स्लाइडमा यहाँ explanation पनि छ. So every step has explanation. First check whether the list is empty or not. We check for list whether it is empty or not. We check so by checking if the head is pointing to null. I know whether head is pointing to null or not. And if head is null, then the list is empty. If head is null, then the list is empty. And the item we are inserting should be the first item. So head null हुनु भनेको त हामीले इन्सर्ट गरेको आइटम फर्स्ट आइटम हो. Now we should make the head point to the first item. अब हामी फर्स्ट आइटममा पोइन्ट गर्छौं हेडलाई. So if head is not null, another condition, if head is not null, which means there is already items on the list, then we need to get the last element of the list and then make the last element point to the new node we just created. So empty छैन भने चाहिँ we traverse until we reach the last. जबसम्म लास्टमा पुग्दैन we traverse and we put that node to the last, after the last, हैन, लास्ट भन्दा पछाडी राख्छौं, making the new node as last node. So checking whether the list is empty or not by checking if head is equal to null. So if the list is empty, we need to connect the head of the head to point to the new node we are inserting, हैन. नयाँ नोडलाई चाहिँ हामीले हेडमा ल्याएर राख्छौं and नयाँ नोडको नेक्स्टलाई चाहिँ null गराउँछौं हामी, where n equal to the pointer to the new node we just created. N is the pointer to the new node, right? This n is the pointer to new node. This carries the address. So त्यही कुरा explanation मात्रै हो. If the list already has items, then what can we do? We put the value of head to some temporary variable. This is temporary variable, and we traverse until we reach last. We traverse until we reach last. While PTR becomes null. That means we traverse until we reach last. And then त्यो बिचमा चाहिँ के गर्छौं हामी, पोइन्टरलाई इन्क्रिज गर्दै जान्छौं. We keep increasing value of point PTR. So finally we will reach to last and यो condition meet हुन्छ, then we do not go inside. यो condition meet हुने भनेको केस भनेको when we reach to the last element. लास्टमा पुग्यो भने now we make next of that last element as n. n भनेको नयाँ नोड हो. लास्ट एलिमेन्टको नेक्स्टमा चाहिँ हामी नयाँलाई राख्दिन्छौं. And then the item we say the item has been inserted. यो चाहिँ if the linked list is not empty को केसमा भयो. ठीक छ? So त्यही कुराको छ यहाँनेरि है while को create a new temporary pointer and make it point to head initially while loop को कुरा छ. Now traverse using iterator until the PTR points to null. जबसम्म PTR ले null मा point गर्दैन we will traversing and increasing the value of PTR. So pointing to null means that that's the last item, हैन. हामीले यहाँ जब यो pointing to null भन्नुको मिनिङ यहाँ भनेको छ नि. Now traverse using iterator until the PTR points to null. That means until we reach the last item. And then make the null pointer PTR point to the node we just created. भनेको मतलब नयाँ नोड भनेको n हो. So that n should be in the next of the PTR because PTR now last item. Last को next मा लगेर चाहिँ we put n. So that the address will be filled out. And finally the item or the node has been inserted भनेर बुझ्नु पर्यो. Is that clear? ल हामी गरिहाल्छौं. अब हामी प्रोग्राम गर्छौं यो. After we just study the display है. डिस्प्ले हेर्ने बित्तिकै अब यो display is another function. This function displays the item in your linked list. Linked list मा भएको आइटमहरुलाई डिस्प्ले गर्ने हो, जस्ट प्रिन्ट गर्ने हो है. This is simple. to display all the items on the list. हैन तिम्रो आइटम लिंक लिस्टमा कतिवटा आइटम छ, if you want to print all those items, what you need to do, we need to traverse the list until the end. हैन फर्स्ट देखि we need to move to the last, फर्स्ट देखि लास्ट सम्म जानु पर्यो and keep printing the items. आइटमलाई हामी प्रिन्ट गरिराख्नु पर्यो. That means we put here to the some temporary variable, अघिको जस्तै हेलाई टेम्पोररी भेरिएबलमा राख्छौं, and then we go until ptr becomes null. Until ptr becomes null. अब यहाँ while भित्र त ptr equal to ptr next भइहाल्छ. Until ptr becomes null, and then we keep printing the data. अब यहाँ हेर, we are now cout printing data of ptr, not the next of ptr, because next भनेको त एड्रेस हो, and we are printing ptr dot data. डाटालाई प्रिन्ट गरिरहेको छौं. यो इनसाइड while है, while भित्रको कुरा हो यो. डाटालाई प्रिन्ट गरिरहेको छौं and we are separating by space, and every time we are increasing the value of ptr. next गर्दै गइरहेको छौं, and it is printing the data of ptr, because there are two parts in every node है. one is data, another is next. डाटा मा चाहिँ इन्टिजर भेरिएबल हुन्छ, भ्याल्यू हुन्छ, and next will have address of the another node, but we are printing the data प्रिन्ट गरिरहेको छ. So this will display all of the items in the linked list. So now let's start with programming. ल अब प्रोग्राम सुरु गरौँ. Let's write some program. ल सुरु गर त. First write the node class. सबभन्दा फर्स्टमा make a node class है. अब what we need to do, simply node मा हेर त, यहाँ मेरोमा देखिरहेछ है यो. This is node class. I have put two members. One is data as integer हैन, यो integer बनाएर मैले डाटा राखेँ. अर्को चाहिँ I have next. Next is the pointer to the node. अघि यति नै भनेको थियो, दुईटा कुरा राख्ने. And you also make one default constructor. यो default constructor हो यो node भनेको. This is default constructor, and it has data as 0 and next is null. किनभने डिफल्टमा के हुन्छ, डिफल्ट कन्स्ट्रक्टर भनेको when the linked list is empty भन्ने केस हो. सरी यो भनेको डिफल्ट कन्स्ट्रक्टर अफ नोड भनेको चाहिँ बाइ डिफल्ट नोड हैज, यहाँ है, बाइ डिफल्ट नोड हैज, बाइ डिफल्ट यो लेट्स मेक अ नोड है, से दिस नोड बाइ डिफल्ट दिस नोड विल बी 0 and the address will be null है. बाइ डिफल्ट यो चाहिँ डिफल्ट नोड भयो. हामी यहाँ नोडमा छौं, and what we did is डाटालाई 0 राख्यौं and नेक्स्टलाई null राख्यौं. दिस इज द डिफल्ट नोड है. यो अरु अहिले गर्नु पर्दैन. यु डोन्ट नीड टु डु दिस थिंग्स. अहिले यो केही पनि पर्दैन अहिलेलाई है. जस्ट मेक दिस नोड क्लास. सिम्पली यति मात्रै बनाए पनि पुग्छ तिमीले है. मेक नोड क्लास and then make linked list class. अब यत्रो धेरै फंक्सन पर्दैन. we are starting with only these three. एउटा हेड चाहियो, एड भन्ने चाहियो फंक्सन, एन्ड डिस्प्ले चाहियो. we are starting only with these three. यो अरु हामी बिस्तारै गर्दै जाने हो सबै कुराहरु. linked list class, and now implement this. अब यो एड लाई र डिस्प्ले को चाहिँ you write the function as well है. यहाँ कहाँ छ, I have so many functions but you can write it. ल अघि भर्खर देखाएको कुरा हो. एड को यहाँ चाहिँ सेम कोड एड को and same code for display. Let's start writing this, and then we make main function. अनि main function बनाउँछौं हामी. ल start doing this. ल start implementing. ल सुरु गर त. सबै लाइन बाइ लाइन मेरोबाट हेर्ने हैन कि, you start by looking the slides. अब स्लाइडबाट तिमीले यसलाई मिलाउन सक्नु पर्यो. I put this slide somewhere है. स्लाइड लाइन राख्दिहालौं. ल मैले तिम्रो फाइल सेक्सनमा पनि यो स्लाइडलाई राखिदिएको छु. You can see the slides and start implementing. म बिचमा सोध्छु है, I'll ask you individually कसले काम के गर्दैछ भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ. So first make this node class. फर्स्टमा त node class बनाऊ and then make linked list class. म लिङ्क लिस्ट नै देखाएँ है. ल सबैले गर्दै छैन? आर यु अल डुइङ? सबैले के छ? बबिन राज, हेलो बबिन, आर यु देयर? बोल्दैन त. हेलो, आर यु डुइङ? गर्दैछौ मैले भनेको कुरा?
सर मैले मोबाइलमा जोइन भइरहेको छु सर, नेट नभएको भएर. ल्यापटप
You do not need internet to do this program. Program गर्नलाई इन्टरनेट चाहिँदैन त. You can join from mobile, but you do practical on your laptop. And if you are not doing the implementation, how can you understand these things? कसरी बुझिन्छ त नगरिकन?
पछि म भिडियो हेरेर गर्छु सर.
तिमी why can't you do right now? किन अहिले किन गर्न सक्दैन?
ल्यापटपमा सर चार्ज छैन सर.
ओहो, देवेन्द्र श्रेष्ठ, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Shrestha or what? SHREES you are writing. गर्दैछ तिमी? देवेन्द्र, I am asking to देवेन्द्र. Practical.
म बाहिर छु सर.
बाहिर छु?
हजुर.
बाहिर भन्नाले?
घरदेखि बाहिर छु के, ल्यापटप घरै छ.
अनि how can we study like this? अब कसरी पढ्न सकिन्छ त तिमी? हामी त क्लास हो यो. This is physical. This should be similar to physical class. यहाँ त यो त इन्टरेक्टिभ हुनु पर्यो. You need to do. अब यो मैले यहाँ भने छु अनि तिमीले सुनेर त you don't understand anything until you do something. This is not good. अब यो क्लास छ भनेपछि त you need to be prepared on that. तिमीले ल्यापटप लिएर जाने हो कि or you stay at home हो कि के हो? You need to be
next time.
यसरी त हुँदैन. यसरी we cannot continue like this. नत्र भनेदेखि मैले यहाँ आएर भनेर मात्रै if it is supposed to give only lectures, then त्यो स्लाइड्स त मैले एक हप्तामा अथवा 15 दिनमा I can complete that. The thing is you need to do or you need to learn. त्यो हो नि त मेन कुरा भनेको त. All of these things are related to assignments. Your assignment, your evaluation, सबै कुरा जोडिन्छ यसैमा. Until you understand, until you implement these things, you cannot do your assignment. Because you need to implement these things in your assignment as well. Assignment मा पनि राख्नुपर्छ यही कोर्सहरु जुन तिमीले यहाँ गर्छौ त्यही कुराहरु. And this won't be going to be repeated again. है किनभने अब we are now moved to the this type of class. है हामी अनलाइन मा गइसक्यो. We are moved now. अब यो फेरि रिपिट हुन्छ अनि फेरि पढौँला. That is not possible. त्यो हुँदैन. Because it might go for years. हैन वर्षभरि जान पनि सक्छ यस्तै गरी. We no one of us know about this. कसैलाई थाहा छैन. So हामीले के गर्नु पर्यो? We need to be prepared. We need to be adopt in this. हामीले यसैलाई एडप्ट गरेर जाने हो अब. प्रवीण चन्द, are you there? प्रवीण. प्रवीण चन्द. Okay. निपेश खनाल. Nipesh, I'm asking to you. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Are you doing this practical thing that I'm teaching? गरिराखेको छ?
Trying, sir. Completed.
Try the try नै हो सबैले गर्ने. Are you doing what I'm asking is गर्दै छ भन्ने कुरा हो मेरो.
गर्दैछु, sir.
Okay, I'll ask you again to show you है. फेरि सोध्छु तिमीलाई एकैछिनमा. यो गरेको कामहरु. निपेश खनाल. So दिलीप दवाडी.
हजुर सर हजुर
गर्दैछ यो?
म त भर्खरै आज जोइन भएको मलाई त यो टिममा जोइनै भएको थिएन कि विनोद सरले बल्ल हिजो गरिदिनु भयो अनि म त बल्ल आजबाट
तिम्रो आज पहिलो क्लास?
मेरो आज पहिलो क्लास.
Where are you from? कहाँबाट तिमी?
यही हो भरतपुर चितवन.
अनि तिमी चितवन आइएसएमटी बाट?
हजुर.
अनि आजसम्म किन आएको थिएन? अस्ति 4th सेम हो त तिमी हैन अहिले?
हो सर. डाउनलोड मैले त गरेको थिएँ डाउनलोड, तर त्यहाँ के एडमिनले एड भएन, एडमिनलाई कुरा गर भनेर त्यहाँ हुन्छ नि त्यो टिममा, माइक्रोसफ्ट टिममा त्यहाँ भन्छ नि त्यो प्रब्लम थियो कि अनि त्यही भएर.
It's been almost more than 1 month we have started this course.
मैले नि 10 दिन अगाडिदेखि नै गरेको हो. सरले गरिदिन्छु भन्नुभएको थियो, गरिदिनु भएको थिएन. अब बल्ल हिजो भयो सबै. अब आज बल्ल म जोइन भएको.
अनि हामीले त धेरै कुरा अगाडि गइसक्यौ. we have studied so many things.
अब रेकर्डहरु हेर्दै गरौँला नि त सर. के हरा हो. मेरो नि गल्ती त हैन नि त. अब सरले नै जोइन गर्न ढिलो गरिदिनु भयो त. अब मैले त भने गर्थे.
You haven't taken any of other classes. अरु क्लास पनि लिएको छैन तिमीले?
त्यो त कसरी लिने र सर. अब टिम डाउनलोड गरिराखेको थिएँ, त्यो जोइनै गर्दै
भने you did तिमीले चाहिँ फोर्स गरेनौ बीचमा?
भन्नाले
सरलाई मेरो भएन भनेर you didn't keep forcing him भनेको मेरो भएन दिनु पर्यो भनेर.
दिनका दिन भन्थे सरले नि. अनि मेरो मात्र हैन सबैको प्रब्लम आइरा थियो. अनि त्यही भएर सबैको गर्दा टाइम लाग्यो होला सायद. के भयो होला मेरो चाहिँ. अनि हिजो बल्ल भयो.
Okay, fine. So among these 5 I have noted your all of your names है. मैले आज अहिले भर्खरै इन्क्वायरी गरेकोहरुमा एकजना त प्रवीण चन्द त बोलेन. He didn't even raised हैन मैले बोलाउँदाखेरि. I don't know whether he is in the class or not. है यो चाहिँ मैले यो चाहिँ म I'll send it to the department. पठाइदिन्छु. अनि अरु पनि देवेन्द्र and बबिन, you may also be inquired by the department, because this is our class and you need to be sincere on this. You need to be prepared on everything है. तिमी बाहिर जाँदैछौ भने you need to carry your laptop or everything, because this is scheduled. यो क्लास त scheduled छ नि त. त्यो नत्र भनेदेखि we cannot. अब हामी सक्दैन. How can we move to the assignment part पछि? असाइनमेन्टमा हामी कसरी काम गर्न सक्छौ तिमीहरु? सक्दैन. It is for you. हामी फिजिकली छैनौ. It is not possible to be present in classroom. You need to, or you and I also need to do similar thing as we do in physical classroom. त्यही तरिकाले टिचिङ लर्निङ इन्भाइरोमेन्ट क्रिएट गर्नुपर्छ है. So even you have got code of conduct हैन, त्यो पनि पाइसकेको छ. You need to follow these things. त्यो कुरा चाहिँ be sincere. Even you are the senior हैन, तिमी त अब सिनियर भइसक्यो. So I think you understand. So let's do this है. यो इम्प्लिमेन्ट गरौँ. अब कसले गर्दैछ I'll ask you again हैन. I'll ask you to show your code अलि पछि फेरि है. So make node class at first, then make linked list class है. दुईटा क्लास बनाऊ and then we go to this and then we make implementing this add and display functions. अनि त्यसपछि add र display function पनि इम्प्लिमेन्ट गरौँ.
सर त्यो प्रोग्राम फेरि देखाउन मिल्छ एकचोटि अलि कन्फ्युज भयो
आई एम सेयरिङ द स्लाइड यही स्लाइडमै छ नि यु क्यान जस्ट अब यो तिमीले मर्ज गर्ने त अनि कहाँ कहाँ राख्ने भने दिस इज द क्लास अफ लिङ्क लिस्ट बनायो क्लास इट इज सेम प्रोग्रामकै कुरा हो सो दिस इज द लिङ्क लिस्ट यो नोडको भयो यहाँ दिस इज द क्लास अफ नोड एन्ड दिस
कन्स्ट्रक्टर पर्दैन सर यसमा
हजुर
कन्स्ट्रक्टर बनाउनु पर्दैन
नोडको लागि बनाउनु कन्स्ट्रक्टर इट्स नट नेसेसरी पनि अहिलेलाई है इन कोड ल कोडमै पनि हेर सो यो सबै कन्स्ट्रक्टर यु डोन्ट निड दिस अल राइट नाउ अहिले यो केही पनि चाहिँदैन यु डोन्ट निड दिस थिङ्स ल यो कमेन्ट गरेको चाहिँदैन यु ओन्ली डु दिस ल नोडको है अब यो के गरिरहेको छ भने जस्ट डोन्ट कपी द थिङ है के हो भन्ने कुरा पनि बुझ्नु पर्यो देयर आर 2 डाटा मेम्बर्स एन्ड वी आर मेकिङ अ कन्स्ट्रक्टर फर नोड एन्ड इनिशियली द डाटा बाई डिफल्ट द डाटा वुड बी 0 एन्ड द नेक्स्ट पार्ट विल बी नल for every constructor right and then we come to linked list and you don't make all of these functions now you अहिले बनाउँदैन we are not doing these things we are only adding items to the linked list and we are going to display यति मात्रै गर्दैछौँ हामी and then this is important this constructor is important this constructor is for linked list हैन यसमा चाहिँ what we do we are assigning the value of head to null because initially the linked list should be empty त्यो कुरा मात्रै हो and then you implement the functions त्यस पछाडी अरु फंक्सन त छदैछ is there anything अब के देखाउनु छ र मैले यही छ नि ल यहीबाट हेर न ल अब first make it and we will go to main function again main function बाट अब कसरी रन गर्ने यसलाई कसरी क्वेरी गर्ने भन्ने कुरा त छदै छ फेरि ओके सो हामी आजलाई र्याप अप गरौँ है यो अब भोलि आउँदाखेरि अब नेक्स्ट विक हो गएर हाम्रो भोलि हो नेक्स्ट विक आउँदाखेरि यु इम्प्लिमेन्ट दिस थिङ्स है यो कुरा चाहिँ फंक्सनहरु लेखेर आऊ एन्ड विल डिस्कस इन मेन फंक्सन अब मेन फंक्सनमा यस्तो हुन्छ थोरै म भनिदिहाल्छु अहिले नै पनि हैन हामी मेन फंक्सनबाट वी नीड टु कल दिस थिङ्स मेनबाट त कल गर्नु पर्यो सो व्हाट वी राइट इज मेन फंक्सनमा चाहिँ हामी वी मेक मेनु बेस्ड प्रोग्राम मेनु बेस्ड बनाउँछौं है फर एक्जाम्पल we make a menu to insert item to the linked list to display items अब यहाँ धेरैवटा छ अहिले हामीले गर्ने भनेको 1 र 3 मात्रै हो हैन to insert item at the end of the linked list and to display the item यो मात्रै गर्ने हो एन्ड एक्जिट भइहाल्यो अनि we ask for choice युजरलाई चोइस माग्छौं एन्ड we switch for that choice हैन 1 भयो भने देखि चाहिँ इन्सर्ट गर्ने हो we call that function फर्स्टमा नोड बनाउनु पर्यो we make a node हैन नोड बनाउनु पर्यो अब यसको लागि त्यहाँ माथि एउटा कन्स्ट्रक्टर चाहिन्छ we need to make a constructor यसको लागि चाहिँ है नोड क्रिएट गर्नको लागि and then we add that to the linked list l1 is a linked list then we add अब यो मेन फंक्सन अहिले नै तिमीले सबै कुरा नबुझ्ला we try to explore this in our next class मा एक्सप्लोर गर्छौं
सर एकचोटि डिस्प्ले देखाउन न
display is very simple display ma what you do you just point you make a temporary variable and you just iterate until you reach the last सम्म नपुगुन्जेली अनि सबैको डाटा चाहिँ प्रिन्ट गर्दै जाने हो you keep printing the data यो स्लाइडमा पनि छ you can get this from slide है त्यो दिन चाहिँ अब नेक्स्ट डे आउँदा चाहिँ you need to complete these things है मेन फंक्सन बाँकी होला कसैले ट्राई गरे पनि हुन्छ मेन फंक्सन पनि इम्प्लिमेन्ट गर्नलाई अदरवाइज वी विल डिस्कस इन आवर नेक्स्ट क्लास मेन चाहिँ ठीक छ ल आजलाई ऱ्याप अप गरौँ है, मेरो अर्को क्लास पनि छ। सो थ्याङ्क यू।
थ्याङ्क यू सर।